everyone, welcome to the tutorial for ExpressionList Manager, an awesome script that makes managing and applying expressions in After Effects super easy. This tool will speed up your animation workflow like never before. Make sure the script is installed and the provided ExpressionList file is in your Documents folder. Let's dive in. Installation Guide for ExpressionList Manager. Copy the script. Copy the ExpressionList Manager. JSX bin file 2. Windows, C R program files, Adobe After Effects, version. Support files, eScripts, Script UI panels. Open After Effects. Go to Edit Preferences, Scripting Amp. Expressions, Windows, or After Effects Preferences, Scripting Amp Expressions. Check the Allow Scripts to Write Files and Access Network option. Click OK to save. Run the script. Go to Window ExpressionList Manager. On first run, you'll see TXT file not found, creating a new file. This is normal as the expression list. TXT file doesn't exist yet. In the script panel, click the folder icon in the search bar. If prompted with "You are about to run the script," click Yes. The Documents folder will open, showing the expression list, TXT file. Close Adobe After Effects. In the Documents folder, replace the expression list, TXT file with the provided expression list. Reopen After Effects. Go to Window ExpressionList Manager. TXT will appear and be ready to use. First, open Adobe After Effects. Head to the window menu at the top, scroll down, and click ExpressionList Manager version 2.1. Here's the script panel. You'll see a search bar, a list of expressions, and buttons like Add, Edit, and Apply. This panel is dockable. Drag it to your preferred spot in the workspace, like next to the timeline or above the Properties panel, to make your workflow smoother. Let's take a quick look at the expression list in the panel. This list pulls data from the expression list. Click an expression to select it, or double-click to open a detail window showing its title, description, and expression text. This is great for reviewing without editing. Hit close to exit the detail window. Searching and filtering expressions. To find expressions quickly, use the search bar at the top. Type a keyword like wiggle and the list instantly filters to show matching titles. Want to see only your favorite expressions? Click the star button next to the search bar. When it turns yellow, only starred favorites are displayed. Click again to show all expressions. This makes navigating long lists super easy. Marking an expression as favorite. To mark an expression as a favorite outside the Add or Edit dialogs, select it and click the Favorite button. A star appears next to its title in the list. Click again to remove the star. Favorites are great for quick access. Just use the star button in the search bar to filter only starred expressions. Now let's dive into the heart of the script, adding new expressions. Click the Add button to open the Add New Expression dialog. This window is packed with options, so let's break down every element step by step. Title field. The title field is where you name your expression, like smooth wiggle or bounce effect. This name appears in the list, so make it descriptive but short. It's required, so you can't save without filling it in. Next is the description field, a text box where you can add notes about the expression, like adds random movement to position or best for text animations. This is optional, but super helpful for remembering what the expression does. The description shows up when you double-click an expression to view details. Primary expression field. The primary expression field is where you enter the main expression code, like wiggle150 for random movement. This is the core of your expression and gets applied to the selected property. It's required, so make sure it's valid After Effects expression code. If it's incorrect, you might get errors when applying it later. Select Property dropdown. The Select Property dropdown lets you specify which layer property the expression applies to, like position, scale, opacity, or rotation. This ensures the expression is applied correctly. For example, choosing position means the expression will affect a layer's X and Y coordinates. Pick the right property to match your expression's purpose. Add Other Expressions button. Below the primary expression, there's an Add Other Expressions button. Click it to add additional expressions that work alongside the primary one. For example, you might add a secondary expression for opacity to complement a position wiggle. A new text box appears for each additional expression, and you can specify its property using a dropdown. This is optional and great for complex setups. Mark as Favorite checkbox. The Mark as Favorite checkbox lets you star the expression right from the start. If checked, a star appears next to the expression's title in the list, and you can filter it using the star button in the main panel. This is perfect for expressions you use often. editing an expression. To edit an existing expression, select it from the list and click Edit. This opens the Edit Expression dialog, which looks almost identical to the Add dialog. You'll see the same fields: title, description, primary expression, select property, and any additional expressions. You can also toggle the Mark as Favorite checkbox. Update anything you want, then click Save to overwrite the expression in ExpressionList.
adding an expression from a layer. Want to save an expression directly from a layer? Select a layer in your timeline with an expression applied, or select two layers if you're using a null object as a controller. Click Add from Layer. The Add New Expression dialog opens, auto-filled with the layer's expression data, like the primary expression and property type. You can edit the title, description, or other fields as needed, then click Save. This feature saves you from manually copying expressions.
applying an expression to a layer. To use an expression, select a layer in your timeline, like a shape or text layer. Choose an expression from the list, then click Apply. If the expression includes controllers, a pop-up asks you to choose Apply Expression Only to add just the expression, or Apply with Controllers and Null Object to create a null object with sliders for control. Click OK and the expression is applied to the layer's property. Removing an expression from a layer. To remove expressions, select a layer with expressions applied, then click Clear. This removes all expressions from the selected properties or the entire layer, resetting it to its original state. It's perfect for cleaning up when you want a fresh start. Need to check or replace the expression file? Click the folder icon in the search bar. This opens File Explorer on Windows or Finder on macOS showing the expression list. TXT file in your Documents folder. You can swap it with a new version if needed. From adding and editing expressions to applying them with ease, this script is a game changer for your After Effects workflow. Try it in your projects and explore the Add dialog to create your own expressions. Thanks for watching and happy animating.